I wanted to show y'all. We got some bad weather coming in. We got some tornadoes. Watches going out. Warnings. The alarms have already been going off. I hope everyone is safe through all of this. This is what it's like being in Alabama. And the bad storms always come in my area at night when you can't really see anything other than the lightning. As you can see, how rough it looks. It's definitely scary weather for us in Alabama. We get tornadoes. See all the trees. Wind picking up. Hopefully our power stays on. That'd be power go off. But we are prepared. And I probably should be inside and not standing out here in the lightning. But I wanted to show y'all what it's like right now for me. I think it's getting closer, to be honest. Yeah, I probably should go inside, so our alarms just went off here.